Hey everybody, welcome back to another mukbang. My name is Justin, and for anyone who's new, welcome to my channel. And today, chili cheese fries. And as you can see in the beginning of the video, I actually had a combination of different restaurants. It was only 2 restaurants, and one of them I bought in a grocery store. Essentially what we have is 4 McDonald's fries. The chili is from Tommy's, and the cheese on top is Tostitos nacho dip. And here's a better view to look at how it looks, the mountain of fries. And you already know, we're gonna jump right into it. Whoa. Dang. Look at this. I'm freaking hungry. Y'all. Look at that, baby. Dang. The combination of all this. This is crazy. I also have my Coke with me to save me. Oh yeah. This is a perfect combination for chili cheese fries. It was like today, I was just thinking, I don't know, I didn't know what to eat really. Like, I didn't know what to put on the mukbang. And this idea came up because I started watching other people's mukbangs, and I just wanted chili cheese fries because I wanted to be unhealthy today. And I wanted to try this. Like, I didn't want to go to a restaurant that serves chili cheese fries itself. When I was watching mukbangs of chili cheese fries, I did like I said, I didn't want to go to a restaurant that serves chili cheese fries itself. I wanted to combine different types of fast food and goodness together. Let me tell you, a combination of these 3, great idea. Great idea, Justin. First of all, McDonald's fries. Come on, it's McDonald's fries. It's like you can't stop eating it. And for anyone who hasn't gone to Tommy's, their chili is actually really good. They're world famous, I think. And I should have added, or I should have melted some cheese on the side to put it on top as well, other than the nacho dip. But it looks great, right? And it tastes great. This is definitely gonna slow me down in cardio. No. Let me tell you a story. Speaking of cardio, oh, the unhealthiness is the best. Let me tell you a story of one time. Well, it wasn't one time. One of the times that I ran from the cops. And it wasn't like crazy, like I wasn't doing anything crazy. It was this was like, damn, you know, thinking about it, I actually evaded the cops. I wouldn't say ran from the cops, I evaded them. This was my favorite. No, I wouldn't say favorite. This is a memory that I will never forget. When I one of the times that I evaded the cops. We were at this crazy party. One of the best parties I've ever been to when I was in my teen years. And you know, the party was, you know, it was crazy, it was fun, yada yada. After the party, you know, everyone starts going home, and we're, you know, I'm with my friends, and we're wasted. There's 4 of us. The best part of why we got really wasted, especially me, was I lived about 3 blocks away from that party, which was amazing. This is when I was still living with my parents too. And we started walking back to their car. They parked by my house, and we just walked it. So we get to our neighborhood, and we hang out in front of the car, parking lot pimping. You know what I mean? If anyone knows what that means, just hanging out. So we're hanging outside the car, and I think we were, well, I was drunk, but I still remembered. I wasn't blacked out drunk. And I believe we were a little loud because, you know, we didn't know our sensitivity on noise level. And it was really late. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning. Speaking of the cops, they're right there right now. Hear that? Well, anyways, yes, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and we were a little loud. because we were obnoxious, we were kids, and we were still hanging out, you know? But we were about hanging out in the street for about 30 minutes after the party. And there's not a lot of cars that pass by my parents' house. It's only like the neighbors. And it was late night, you know, so everyone's probably sleeping. And we were loud, and I believe someone may have called the cops. I think. Because we were also like idiots. We were also. It's right outside, you know, the street parking, and we were in front of someone's porch, or the lawn. We were just hanging out. We were just standing. So I guess we look suspicious, and we're loud, and they probably got scared, and they're like, okay, we'll call the cops. 15 minutes in, we're still there, hanging out, and there's a car, not in front of us, it was like in the intersection in a corner, and my friend's eye, and which is funny because today he's a cop now, which is cool. So shout out to him, wherever you are, if you're watching. But he saw in the corner of his eye, he eyed sirens. You know, you could see the sirens because they're street lights, but they didn't have it flashed on. They didn't have it on, and it was crazy, man. It was crazy. It was crazy weird as well because let's say we're standing almost next to the car, and they saw. I don't know if they saw us specifically, but he made a left turn going in our way, and he just sped up like crazy. It was I believe there was two of them. He sped up like crazy, and then we jumped right next to the car and just hid behind it like this. And then they came back, went around, and then they had their lights on, like trying to check up on us. It was crazy because I don't understand how the cop didn't see us, you know? Because we just like dashed right, hiding into it. And it was like, why would he rush, you know? Why would the cop like just speed up and then not see us, you know? So I don't know if he was trying to surprise us, but it was crazy. We were like I said, we were wasted, and then at that moment we got like we felt so sober. It was like, it was just like, oh shit. It was just like, oh damn, okay. We're not about to get in trouble. And they were going back and forth, and then they swerved. I think they went around to another next street over. So what we did, we got in the car like idiots when we could have just gotten in my house. We got in the car, and they came back with the lights on like this. Great thing. I mean, it doesn't do anything with the lights, but he was flashing, and my friend's car, it's tinted like crazy, so you can't really see what's inside. But with the flash, of course, you can. But we were like ducking all the way down inside the car where you can't see what's inside. But oh my god, luckily they didn't get out their cars and like check what's inside the car. They were just inside the car, just roaming around with the lights on. And once they left, to another street to, I guess they're scavenging. And I was like, let's go to my house right now. And my parents are asleep. Everyone is asleep, so I don't want to bother them. There's four of us. There's four drunk idiots, So I was tripping on the cops, and I was tripping on my friends being loud for my parents not to wake up, and then like, what the hell, you guys are drinking? And mind you, yes, I didn't want to get in trouble because we were underage drinking. And It was crazy. Went upstairs to go to my house, and I was just trying to get my friends sober so they can get leave as well. But it's crazy. The cops, they stayed there like someone really I don't know what the heck was going on, but we didn't do anything. But the helicopter, they called in the helicopter as well, and I was like, damn, just for 4 drunk people. But they didn't know, But it's crazy. I don't know what whoever called the cops. Like, there's these kids and they probably have stuff on them, but the helicopter, come on, they're flashing the thing to their big ass light. But we were not gonna get caught. We definitely. Well, I guess I don't know if you consider that. Yeah, I did invade the cops, right? Now, that was memorable for me because that was crazy, man. That was just adrenaline is crazy. Every time when you think you're gonna get in trouble or you're scared, I guess. When I don't know, that was crazy. It was just like an adrenaline rush that got us super sober. And it was it was a great night. Yeah, it was a fun night. But, that even made it more fun. Like, whoa. But if we got caught, oh, man. It would have been so embarrassing. Right in front of my parents' house. Like, what's going on? And then they see their son, handcuffed, but got away pretty well. Sorry, coppers. Whoever called the cops on us. And then after, when the helicopter came, it was another 30 minutes of search maybe. So my friends couldn't go home, so we were just hanging out, being quiet, because we didn't want to wake anybody up. But those were the times. And there was a recent one too where I ran away from the cops. No, I'm just kidding. Almost. It's with my motorcycle. I'm getting stuff. Holy crap, I barely made a dent. Holy crap, I barely made a dent. It was just half, maybe. I don't know how. People do it, man. Every time I order big, it's my eyes that are big, not my stomach. But thank you, and it was such a pleasure for having all of you in my channel. And to the newcomers, thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I didn't really get to finish the food. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. I want to see you on my next mukbang. And comment section is always open. And I want to hear, what you guys want me to eat. Because I'm always open to ideas. And I love all of y'all. Peace.